What's up, guys? Have you ever thought of what it would feel like or be like to have a direct response from ETs whilst you're practicing CE-5? Now, this is a video that I'm going to show you from Manuel Huet in 2019, and it is absolutely amazing. It is a very short video, and I just want to let you know that this is not a rare phenomenon. It actually happens quite often if you practice CE-5 regularly, and I'm going to actually share with you just after this, showing you the video, just tips that I think would help you in achieving such amazing levels of contact. And even beyond that, what are we talking about when we're talking about contact that is beyond that type of response? What's up, guys? Welcome to CE-5 Academy. My name is Ashley. It's always a real pleasure to have you guys here with us. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel, and let's jump straight into the video.
Bon, vous voyez, je pose la caméra et il y en a un autre qui passe pendant que je dis au revoir aux copains. Bon, celui-là, il vient, je sais même pas. Waouh, vous avez vu, il a fait un flash. Ouais, salut, c'est moi, c'est Manu. Il va vers le sud-est. Hein, c'est ça, hein? Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire vers le sud-est, mon ami? Si tu veux, tu fais un flash. Toi aussi. Waouh, ça c'est bien, je te remercie. Ça c'est extraordinaire ce que tu viens de faire. Si tu veux le refaire encore une fois, voilà. Et encore une fois si tu veux, ça serait vraiment pour confirmer toutes mes histoires. Merci, je te remercie mon ami. Tu sais combien je crois en toi.
Now, what does it take to have this level of CE-5 experience? In my view, it only takes two things: consistency in your practice and dedication to the cause. And by consistency in your practice, I mean that you should continually practice the CE-5 protocols, continually develop your relationship with ETs, continue to raise your frequency every day as best as you can. And with regards to dedication, what I mean by that is exactly that. It's dedicating yourself to living in accordance with being a peaceful ambassador to the universe. What does that look like? It looks like someone that is really doing their best to be their best self. It really is putting your best foot forward in every single moment that you can, and it is about living your best life. And that is how you're going to attract such amazing experiences, because you really need to be vibing on a high vibe to be able to have this type of contact. Now, what happens after that though? What happens once you've done so many CE-5s in your life that you cannot count on your fingers and toes? What happens after that? What is the next level of contact? Well, that is something that I'm going to be speaking about in an upcoming video, so please make sure that you stay tuned. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, press the bell notification, and more importantly, my friends, I would really appreciate it if you could gently, kindly press the beautiful like button. This way YouTube will recommend this video to more viewers who may themselves practice CE-5 and who may contribute their beautiful energy to this movement. So thank you all for being here. I'm sending you loads of love, and I hope to see you guys again very soon.